Why the smart graft care is very important. Today is day 5. The patient have followed our instruction and he have done a good smart graft care. Today we are seeing again this 28 years old gentleman who is male pattern hair loss level 6. We have done the mega session. 4,000 grafts was planted at the recipient area. This patient have done a very good smart graft care. He have all the microscap came out on day 5. Today is day 14. And now let's have a look. He's a male pattern hair loss level 6. He don't have hair from the anterior point to the crown, only got hair at the lateral hump. So this is the area that we grafted in. So this is the frontal area, this is the mid-scalp, this is the crown. This is the mega session. 4,000 grafts was put. The crown here is 360 degrees anti-clockwise. We try to fill up the crown too. Let's have a look at the hairline. The hairline looks very natural. We only place the single hair, the first 2 rows, into the sagittal slits. Behind here we did dense packing and we use the slit here, perpendicular or lateral slit, so that we can put all the grafts very close. Light is unable to go through here. So what is going to happen next from now, day 14? From day 14 or 2 weeks to 3 months, all this planted hair will shed, but some may grow directly. So it will restart to grow back on the 3rd month onwards. 4th, 5th, 6th months, you can see the densities will build up. Then 8 to 9 or 10 months, it will be full. That is called the optimum growth.
Well, initially this area was almost empty, and now on day 14 I feel very happy as I see my hair is regrowing again. So thank you, Gorgeous.